Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make a cheese drawing. First, begin by sketching the fundamental shape of your cheese. You can choose a simple wedge, a rectangular block, or even a round wheel. Use light pencil strokes to outline these basic forms, ensuring your initial lines are clean and proportionate. This foundational step is crucial for establishing the overall structure and perspective of your cheese before adding details. Next, let's bring your cheese to life by adding texture and its unique characteristics. For a realistic look, introduce slightly irregular or rounded edges rather than perfectly straight ones. If you're drawing Swiss cheese, sketch circles and ovals of different sizes for the holes, varying their placement and making some overlap for a sense of depth. For other cheese types, use gentle lines or small cracks to suggest surface texture. Now it's time to add dimension with shading and color. Start by applying a base color, such as a warm yellow or orange, depending on your cheese type. Identify your light source and use darker tones to create shadows on the opposite side and within the holes, giving the cheese volume. Then, add lighter colors or highlights to the areas directly hit by light, like edges and raised surfaces. Blend these colors smoothly for a natural, appetizing look. For the final touches, carefully refine all your lines, erasing any stray marks to give your drawing a clean finish. Add subtle reflections or a slight sheen to the surface to make the cheese appear fresh and inviting. You might also consider drawing a cutting board, a knife, or some crackers to place your cheese in a realistic setting. And speaking of upgrades, check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. These small details truly enhance the overall presentation of your delicious cheese drawing.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.